Introduction to Data Privacy. Data privacy is the protection of personal and sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. It is crucial in today's digital age, where vast amounts of data are collected and shared across various platforms. Importance of data privacy, trust and reputation. Protecting data privacy helps build trust between individuals, organizations, and the public, enhancing reputations and fostering positive relationships. Legal and regulatory compliance. Businesses must adhere to data privacy laws and regulations to avoid costly fines and legal penalties. Cybersecurity. Strong data privacy measures are essential in safeguarding against data breaches, identity theft, and other cyber threats. Individual rights. Data privacy empowers individuals to have control over their personal information and protect their privacy rights. Key principles of data privacy. 1. Transparency. Organizations should be clear and upfront about their data collection and usage practices. 2. Consent and choice. Individuals should have the right to provide consent and choose how their data is used. 3. Data minimization. Organizations should only collect and retain the minimum amount of personal data necessary. 4. Security and safeguards. Robust security measures should be implemented to protect data from unauthorized access or misuse. Regulatory landscape for data privacy. Global regulations. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the EU and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the US are examples of comprehensive data privacy laws. Industry-specific regulations. Sectors like healthcare and finance have additional regulations, such as HIPAA and PCI DSS, to protect sensitive customer data. Enforcement and penalties. Regulatory bodies can impose significant fines and penalties on organizations that fail to comply with data privacy law. Data privacy practices and policies. 1. Data collection. Clearly communicate what data is being collected and how it will be used. 2. Data storage and retention. Implement secure storage methods and establish data retention policies. 3. Data sharing and disclosure. Establish guidelines for sharing personal data with third parties and external entities. Protecting personal information. Encryption. Use strong encryption to protect data during transmission and storage. Access controls. Implement robust access controls to limit who can view and modify personal data. Backups and recovery. Regularly back up data and have a plan to restore it in case of a breach or loss. Employee training. Educate employees on data privacy best practices and their responsibilities. Conclusion and key takeaways. Safeguarding personal data. Protecting individual privacy is paramount in the digital age. Compliance and regulations. Organizations must stay up to date with evolving data privacy laws and regulations. Proactive approach. Implementing robust data privacy practices and policies is a proactive measure to build trust and mitigate risks. Continuous improvement. Regularly reviewing and updating data privacy strategies is essential to address emerging challenges and trends.